It is Wednesday actually, guys, and I decided to go to Target today instead. I normally don't do that, but I just figured why not. I have like nothing going on tomorrow for Thursday, so I just figured I would do it today. My husband was home to get our son from work, and I just thought that tomorrow I could sleep in, and then all I'm doing is going to a basketball game at my daughter's school, or it's for her daughter's school. I really don't know where it's at, but so yeah, I figured I would do that. I spent $332, so I think it was a little bit less than last time, and I only got a couple like fun things. I really just stuck to food and like personal products. I was trying to be a good girl. So yeah, stay tuned for that haul. It is really cold. It's 22 degrees here. At least the sun is out. We have like a little bit of snow. It's kind of windy. But yeah, this whole week was dreary. Well, last week was really bad. And then we had beautiful weather yesterday. It was like 50 degrees and sunny. And then now today it's 22. So Illinois weather for you. So yeah, stay tuned for my haul. All right, here is my grocery haul from Target. I spent $232.60. I think last time I was in the 300s, guys. So I think I really did way much better. So we still had a couple of paper towels. So I just got a 2-pack and 150 sheets per roll. Yeah, should be good. I got a gallon of 1% milk. I'm hoping this one doesn't smell. I'm kind of weary now of Good and Gather milk, so we shall see. I got a pulp-free orange juice for my son, 1 zero sugar creamer. They had buy one, get one off on the Bertolli garlic Alfredo sauce, so I got 4. I got this as a snack. Thought maybe my daughter would like one, and then I could have the other. I got 3 bags of steamed cauliflower, a family size of Honey Nut Cheerios for my oldest, some Caribou coffee, the K-Cups, and I did splurge on hubby protein coffee. I got the last one. I think it was $20. I'm hoping to, for the protein. So my husband wanted the Junkless, so I got him the chocolate chip and the peanut butter ones. I think they were $3.49 a box. They're normally, I think, $4.99. And then I got 3 coconut waters, 2 for my son, 1 for my hubby. I thought this was super cute for Valentine's Day. I don't really get much, like I said, for Valentine's. It's not like one of my favorite holidays, but this would be cute in the kitchen. I'm not going to use it. It's just for show. Got some spray butter. We just ran out. This is for Valentine's Day. I got Method laundry detergent, 4 cans of the French style green beans. This little snack for me. I don't think I've said it, but I'm doing like a healthier lifestyle. So I've been already making major changes and I've been doing well so far. So I'm down like 9 pounds. So I'm doing good. Needed another blush brush. And so I got this Sonia, what is it? Sonia Kashuk. It's a buffing brush. And then I did pick up this other Halo Glow beauty wand. I have 3 now. I'm hoping I don't have this color. I'm gonna have to double check. Otherwise, I'll just return it for something else. 3 of the pimple patches. And then I found this menu for the week, and I thought that would be fun to do and leave it in the kitchen. I used to do that. So because I am like trying to lead a healthier lifestyle. So I don't know, maybe thought this would be kind of fun. They have Dove Bridgerton body washes, and they're limited edition. They're not cheap, but they smell so good. This one is bergamot and wildflowers, and this one is orchids and champagne. They smell so good, guys. My son was less than half, so I decided to get his body wash just in case. I got a Good and Gather half and half. I did the 5 for $12 on the Alani's. This is like my new addiction. I don't have it very often, but I got 2 Orange Kiss, a cherry slush for my oldest, and then I got the new Cherry Bomb, which is supposed to take like cherry Coke, so we shall see. I got 2 of the mild cheddar classics. They were $1.69 a piece, so I just got that now. I did get 2 bags of the cheese tortellini. And then I am having a coffee date with the besties on Friday. And so I decided to bring these cream cheese croissants and these strawberry iced mini donuts. So have to make sure that I am very good when I go there. I might splurge a little bit because I literally have not been having any sweets. So I've been very disciplined. So, all right, that will conclude my Target haul. I think I'm doing the rest of my shopping on the weekend. I have a busy Friday. So yeah, stay tuned for those hauls. Hello. It is Saturday. So I haven't recorded since Wednesday. We are out shopping. We are going to go to Sam's Club, and then my Walmart delivery will be delivered to the house, obviously. It is very snowy here. Let me turn you around. Show you just how snowy and it went everywhere. Snowy we are today. It's kind of pretty though. But yeah, stay tuned for my Sam's Club haul. Me and my husband are going to go inside. I only do that when he's around. Normally, I won't do that by myself. But anyways, stay tuned for those hauls. All right, we are back from Sam's Club. We spent $252.54. My husband and I just should not go in together. I mean, granted, like there's things like I feel like now that we are trying to eat healthier, things are just so expensive. It's crazy. So anyways, he got boxer briefs, so, you know, it is what it is. I did get strawberries again because I do like it with my cereal in the morning, and then I just like to eat it. They said they didn't have green grapes, and they do. Sweet Globe, crisp and juicy crunch. And then we did get a rotisserie chicken for dinner tonight, just something easy because it's snowy and we're shopping, and yeah. And then I got also the red seedless grapes. These are seedless, right? Yes. I got 2 little bites for Miss Kayla. I got Charmin toilet paper. It's so much more, I know. And I know they have Sam's Club, but I don't know if they changed their formula. I'm not very happy. I actually like Costco's toilet paper, but I never go there. So I got Charmin and just spent the extra $5. We do a case of water. This is not for us, but this is for winter camping that Kayla and her Girl Scout troop are going on, and I said that I would contribute a case of water. I did take the plunge and I bought some Alani's. I don't think I'm gonna like this cherry twist. I thought it was like just cherry, and I think it has lime, and I'm probably not a big fan of that, but I'm gonna try it. But it comes with pink slush and orange kiss. I'm sure I'll probably like this one. So and I think it was like $22. This should last me a month. I do not drink these like every day. I still have, excuse my dirty fridge, but I still have 2 from Wednesday. Caitlin had 1 of the cherry ones I gave her. So yeah, I had 3 since Wednesday, and I tend to spread them out. Oops. If you need Girl Scout cookies, guys, we're selling. Little plug there. Kerrygold butter, we were almost out just in case. I did get a big thing of spring mix. We needed sea salt, more provolone cheese. This is what Zach got. He got the Vita Coco organic coconut water. I think it was about $18, which is a steal because the big ones are normally $5 on their own. So yeah, that's what he wanted. Needed the steak strips. He finally was out. And then we got another coffee. I could have sworn we bought one 2 weeks ago, but apparently we drank it. I don't know. I got a big thing of sweet potatoes, some organic green beans. I'm going to make green bean casserole, but when I use fresh green beans, I make it like by scratch, not that crap mushroom. Even though I like the cream of mushroom stuff, when I do it from scratch, it's so much better. He got this vanilla protein shakes. I want to get chocolate, but I don't want to buy a whole big thing and not like it. So Zach is going to get me some ones from Woodman's to try because like I'm on a healthier like lifestyle kick too. So yeah. And then I got a 1% milk. Normally I would get Walmart brand, but they don't have 1%, but they had Prairie Farms brand. So I said, oh, well, I'll just get that. And then I did get, of course, the Just Bare lightly breaded chicken breast strips. And I think that was it. So that is what everything cost for $252. not bad. No meat. We were gonna look at the pork chops, and a big pack was like $30, and it's a little bit more than we wanted to spend, so we just decided not to do that. My Walmart order is coming between 6 and 8. I just had it delivered. I think I said that already. I just don't feel like going out and doing a pickup. I'm not a big fan of going in the snow and stuff. I can drive in it. I just choose not to if I don't have to. So stick around for that haul. I do have a meal plan. I haven't showed you guys or told you guys a meal plan in a hot minute. So let me go in the office and show you. I have no clue where I put it right now. So when I find it, I will tell you. Hopefully by the Walmart order, I will be able to tell you. But I put the notepad somewhere and I misplaced it. So I'll share that soon. All right, I finally found it. This is what I'm going to be doing. So creamy, sorry, my laptop's a little dirty. Creamy mushroom chicken. I still have broccoli cheddar soup from or maybe it's potato soup for a while now from Sam. So we need to make that. It's still good. Hopefully my husband remembers to get like bacon and spinach, but when I have bacon wrapped pork tenderloin, we got chicken thighs. We're going to have chicken fettuccine Alfredo. I'm going to do some pan fried chicken with tortellini on the side, fish fillets, sausage and zucchini squash. And I'm doing shrimp Alfredo again because it was so good last payday. Oh my goodness. And then also I did get chicken strips as usual. And then tonight we're having rotisserie chicken. And so, yeah, this will be kind of what we're doing. And like, I'm sure one of the days will be like pizza and like free-for-alls, maybe leftovers, who knows, but that is what we're looking like. My Walmart order, they're shopping it right now. Tons of things are not available. So while Zach is at Woodman's, I'm trying to get him to pick up some of the things that Walmart doesn't have, but we shall see. So stay tuned. All right, my Walmart delivery came. I spent $208. They did charge me $284, but a lot of things were out of stock. One thing I had to ship. So anyways, let's start. I got 2 cartons of large white eggs, 1 zero sugar hazelnut, and a big thing of half and half. And I just remembered I did not need this half and half. So now we're going to have even less room in the fridge. That wasn't smart. I got a family size of chicken breast, a butter bread Sara Lee, and a Hawaiian bread. 3 tiny squash, but gigantic zucchini. So we'll make that work. A trio of peppers. I think, I don't know, about 7, maybe 8 stalks of broccoli. I did get my zero sugar Mountain Dew. 2 avocados, my facial wipes. Needed some all-purpose spray. So I seen this new one. Well, it's new to me. Coconut and sea minerals. We're going to give it a whirl. Flushable wipes. Got some Valentine's Day stuff here. Some are for her bestie. Some are for my girls. But I did get a bag of like Hershey's to share for her friends. Some gift bags to put their stuff in. These are for Caitlin. Those are her favorite. And then I thought I was supposed to get just 2 of these. So I got 3. Because Kayla does not like that. So I don't know why I got 3, so I'm going to have to check on that situation. I got 2 of these Smartie boxes. These are for Caitlin, the little Reese's thing. And then I got those for Kayla. And then 2 bags of the party-sized popcorners in white cheddar, a small heavy whipping cream. Never had this triple cheddar shredded cheese, and so it was like a suggestion. So I was like, why not? Got some Polska kielbasa to make that sausage and like zucchini squash dish. 2 of the Parmesan garlic, roasted red potatoes and green beans. Gorton's crunchy breaded fish fillets, and a large bag of raw shrimp to make the shrimp Alfredo because we loved it. I got baked Lay's and baked Ruffles. 1 jar of garlic Alfredo. I did buy 4 at Target, but because I'm using a lot of recipes with Alfredo and I'm not making my own, I got another one. A large can of cream of mushroom. Apparently we didn't need more Pop Secret butter, or popcorn, but I got some anyways. 2 rice-a-roni cheddars, and I did ask for 2 boxes of the fettuccine. I got 1 and a thin spaghetti. I don't think I'm going to do anything about it. If we add some thin spaghetti in with her fettuccine, I'm not going to be upset about it. Whoops. We wanted to try the protein pasta. So we got the protein in the farfalle bow tie and the penne. Got Caitlin's Better Goods crackers, 1 stack. I could have sworn they shopped 2 stacks. And then I got this popcorn seasoning and nacho cheddar. They did not have the garlic parmesan one. Apparently 2 of these. Like I said, now I'm going to have to make sure that I got what I got. There was like some candy that they didn't have. I did get the girls' bracelets. They are shipping free of charge. So I got 3 sets of those for Kayla and then her best friends. I'm not sure what else, but I mean, obviously my bill went from 284 to 208. So apparently they took quite a bit out. But yeah, I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching my haul. The total was, and it's going to be like right here, right there. Thank you for watching my video. I will see you guys in my next video, whatever that may be, and bye.